Hello, Sharpshooter Lee here. I'm going to be doing an airsoft review of the KJW M9 full metal gas blowback pistol. Let me open it up. Get a manual here. Gives you instructions on safety tips, how to operate the gun, the breakdown diagram and parts list. You get speed loading tools, box KJW BBs, small Allen key to adjust the hop up, and gun itself is full metal. Got the threaded barrel, ordered it. Full metal, full size magazine. I also got mock silencer, safety, ambidextrous. Look on this side and on this side. It does not have a decocker. I am going to take shots. I target right over here. 15 rounds with propane and 0.20 gram BBs. So I'll go ahead and fill that up for you. I always find to use this, it's a lot easier for me to do it. I don't know about you. Just pop it on the magazine like that. Add 15 rounds with the speed loader. And use a plunger. With my propane. Oops. I use Coleman propane. It's a lot cheaper than green gas. Five seconds. Alright. Go ahead and set it up. Alright. I want to go ahead and show you the kick of it. There you have it. KJW Full Metal M9 gas blowback. Thank you for watching.